Okay, yung title niya, Emotion Recognition in Filipino Novelas based on the structure of narratives using generalized linear model with TF-IDF vectorization. Okay? Pagdating dun sa kanyang ganyan yung gagawin eh. Yung ginagawa nating statement or problem statement, magiging input nyo dito sa part na to. Sabi niya dito, this study investigates the potential of a generalized linear model with TF-IDF vectorization for recognizing emotions with Filipino fictional narrative text. The research addressed the utilization of GLMs in the field of text-based emotion recognition, where application and primarily focus on social media text analysis. By employing this approach on Filipino fictional novelas, the study aims to determine yung efficacy in accurately classifying emotional content within the specific literary genre. Okay? Tapos magkakaroon ka ng ganito, performance, ang gusto niyang i-measure. So, performance metric of the system's recognition emotions with and without TF-IDF vectorization using general linear model in terms of ito yung precision, recall, and F1 score. Yun yung kanyang i-experiment. Then, is there a significant difference between the model, two models? Yun lang. Okay? So, yun na yung kanyang research questions. Okay? Next. Next naman, etong isa, grid heat map. Generating text to description for grid heat maps using encoder, decoder, LSTM with attention-based mechanism. So, ang SOP niya, or research questions, generate textual description for data visualization, particularly heat maps implementing encoder, decoder, long, short-term memory with attention-based mechanism. Capable of automatic generation of text description enables the blind and visually impaired person and screen reader users to access and interpret such data visualization.